Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the exact save file and a clean Pkhex build. This ensures compatibility. Once done, place the dumped save or data on your PC and make 2 backups in separate folders or drives so you can revert. Make sure Pkhex sees the file type, open the tool and load the save immediately to verify. If it fails to load, don't proceed. Check the dump method and confirm you exported the correct file from God mode 9 or checkpoint before editing. You now edit with purpose. Pick the Pokemon slot and change species, ability, moves, nature, Roman 4, EV, and held item while observing game generation constraints. Once done, update trainer info, OT, TID, SID, and any memory flags, because mismatched metadata causes red flags. After your edits, run the built-in legality checker and address any errors it reports. Fix level, moves, or encounter data as needed. Make sure everything reads as native to avoid soft locks or bans when re-injecting. You finish by saving edits and rebuilding the save in Pkhex, exporting to the exact file type your 3DS tool expects. Then inject the modified save back to the console with God mode 9 or checkpoint, making sure to restore file permissions and hashes if needed. Once on the 3DS, boot the game and confirm the Pokemon appears and behaves correctly. If something goes wrong, restore your backup immediately and compare the original file with the edited one to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.